For me, I'm a Scottish boy working here in Hong Kong, so Manchester could support me here. One of the best things about the Global MBA is the diverse culture of the students. We get to learn different cultures, we get to work with different people, and I've met good friends that I'm sure I'll be networking with regularly going forward.
Hello, my name is Paul. I'm from the UK originally and I've been in Hong Kong for 9 years now. Manchester Method offers me a way to take what I've learned and what I've experienced and grow beyond that in a structured manner. The Manchester MBA offers me the opportunity to take a blended learning course that fits in with my personal life and my professional life. I don't have to give up my job for a year to do this. I can do this alongside and keep learning.
My name is Chen Li. I'm from Taipei, Taiwan. I was an operations supervisor at the retail industry. I chose University of Manchester Global MBA program because not only the reputation of the school, but also the curriculum is up to date.
I'm Takuma Ito. I'm originally from Japan. I have a 10-year working experience from the government and medical device and pharmaceutical sectors. What I expect to my MBA journey is to leverage my learning at MBA into my working experience. So online learning was really flexible. I can learn anytime, anywhere.
So we design our program around their needs, our students' needs, who are usually very busy executives and professionals. So part of the material is in the online space, in the virtual learning environment, so they can access that information at their own time, their ethnic and cultural differences, so they can actually engage with the ways of responding to a globalized business environment.
I want to thank you as alumni, donors, friends, supporters of the university for everything you do to support our institution.
Happy birthday! Thank you everybody!
The program actually strengthened my skills more than I expected. Through this program, I actually met people who I think I could call lifelong friends, and also the skills I acquired. From probably day one, I felt like I could use it right away and have been using it since my graduation.